Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to say happy Friday, last Friday of the school year, and also I wanted to give you good luck before Monday's AP test. I have somebody else who wants to wish you good luck too.
Good luck.
Okay. And there's a few other things that I do want to make sure that you have ready to go. Don't forget your browser should be updated. Chrome is the best browser for you. I've given you a bunch of documents that you can take a look at if you're having issues. AP is being really strict with cheating, so they are looking at a lot of different avenues and following along with a lot of things. So just be cognizant of that. If you haven't accessed the AP website to get a ticket yet, make sure that you do ours kind of sometime over the weekend. You can access that 2 days before the exam. You can write all that information down in that form that I shared out with you and have it all ready to go for the day of the test so you're not anxious about it. On the day of the test, they suggest maybe working out with people in your home that you have the best access to the internet so that you're not battling for bandwidth with others. And also making sure that you're just in a quiet spot, that you're not going to be distracted by somebody else like you're seeing here. So if you look at the document that I have up on the screen, I also have it shared with you in Google Classroom. They suggest Chrome. Make sure that it's updated and ready to go. If you have issues checking in, you can email for the e-ticket a couple days ahead of time. So just make sure that you're keeping up with that if you haven't taken a test yet. Chromebooks, they suggest, are one of the better computers to use. You can use a Mac, it's fine. I practiced on my Mac. The photo submissions are having the biggest issues right now with physics and chemistry. A lot of times people are getting through the first question, and then they're going to submit the second one, and that's when the error occurs. Try submitting it a few more times, then put in the ticket to have the makeup exam done. There is a chance that that stuff did update and is working and actually was submitted. So AP will keep in contact with you to let you know if your stuff actually did submit. The easiest solution to this is to open up a document and type through the document and make sure that you have everything done, and then copy and paste the answers over to the actual exam page. Reloading issues, do not hit refresh or back while you're taking your test, and while it's in progress you actually can cause problems. If you accidentally close your browser, your device crashes, or you temporarily lose internet access, just immediately start to fill out your e-ticket to return to the exam, and you'll enter your AP ID again and then return to the screen that you were on. So the quicker you can get to that, rebooting that up, the better. Accessibility issues, if you're having problems, maybe there's a storm that day, internet goes down, just make sure that you are ready to fill out the request to have your makeup exam. Again, it doesn't hurt to fill out the request for the makeup exam. If you have any other issues, they will either grant it or not grant it. So make sure that you're ready to go with that. So excited for you guys to finally finish up with everything else. I'm proud of you for what you've done this semester. It's been interesting, and you guys have done a great job with it. So I wish you all the best. Don't forget, next week I still get to talk to you a little bit. So we've got a couple things put in place. But know that I'm really proud of you. Know that I'm excited for you guys to finish up with your school year and move on to awesome, bigger, better things. And I wish you all good luck on your test. See ya.